If you've been looking for a crochet hairstyle that looks just like natural hair, then this tutorial is for you. Please do keep on watching to see how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle. This is the extensions we are going to be using for today's hairstyle. This is synthetic extensions, by the way. It's the Cuban Twist, soft and natural in type 4. This is from Jewel Hair Ghana, by the way. So if you live in Ghana, you can get yours from Jewel Hair Ghana. Color 1B. This is what the extensions look like. And yeah, I know you guys have already seen from the title and the thumbnail that we achieved some juicy kills with this. So let's get straight into the tutorial. First things first, I'm working on freshly washed and pre-stretched hair. So I just did this twist, 3-step mini braids overnight. So now taking it out now. Then comb my hair out. The first and most important thing you need to do when doing this kind of hairstyle or crochet hairstyles is to create your base. And for my base today, I'm doing all back cornrows. But I like to do 2 horizontal cornrows at the back before I go in with straight all back cornrows, which you guys are going to see in a bit. You will see that in a bit. Like it's delirium, like it's delirium, I got delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Before I did the all back cornrows, I left a little section of my front hair out. As you guys can see, I'm leaving a very small section of my natural hair out. If you want to do this part, please make sure you are not leaving a bigger section of your natural hair out. Just a portion like this is okay, and braid it down before you do the straight back cornrows. I did this because I wanted to blend it with the extensions, okay, for it to give that is growing for your scalp, is growing from your scalp kind of vibe. Yes, that was the vibe I was going for. The stage with a drink like I'm giving on, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on, giving dividends. I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. You know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it blow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yay? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I'll play the Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful, it made me say thank you, yeah. I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to run upon me all night long. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm giving on, but I never can. Now, this is what our cornrow is looking like. Your cornrow should look something like this. Okay, it should look exactly like this. Now, what I'm doing here is to crochet the rest of my natural hair in. You see the hair that is hanging here, right here. You guys are going to see me crochet it in. I do this because once you start crocheting the extensions in, if you've not secured your hair firmly, it is going to start pulling out, okay? It is not going to grip the crochet extensions firmly. And to even further secure it, I go in with a thread and needle to sew that part down. Taking this out is very easy once you are ready to take out the hairstyle. You just locate the thread and then just cut it with the scissors and take it out. It's very simple to do. So this is what I do every single time that I use the cornrow method for my crochet hairstyles. I do not miss this step. Okay, I know what I'm talking about. If you don't do this and you crochet the extensions in, it's going to come out. It's not going to be secured. Now it's time to crochet the hair in. This is where the magic is about to start happening, okay? And for the back, the 2 horizontal cornrows that I did, that is where I'm starting from. I always like to work my way from the back to the front. That is what I always do. Start from the back and work my way up. You can see I separated the Cuban strand that I took into two. Then I crocheted them in individually. So this is one strand. Okay, this is half of the one strand that I took, the one half of the one strand that I took, and then right now I'm crocheting the other half. I do that for this part of my hair, and also when I get to the upper part. You guys are going to see that in a bit. I hope by now you guys have noticed I'm using a different crochet method today. Yes, so for this crochet method, I insert the crochet needle through the cornrows, create a loop, and then pass the extensions through the loop. But instead of passing both strands of the extensions through the loop, I only do what? Pass one. Did you guys see that? And then create my knots. That's the crochet method that I'm using today. It's actually my first time trying this method too. And yeah, it worked perfectly fine. So I love this method as well. As you can see with this part of my hair too, I'm just taking a whole strand of the extensions. I did not separate it into two halves. For this part, it's okay because it's going to fall on the back. So yeah, you need to fill that part. But for the back, I told you guys that I used halves of it. And as I work my way to the front, I'm almost at the front of my hair. So from this part too, I use one half each when crocheting. I was not using the full strand so that this part doesn't look too bulky. Okay, it was just at the middle. A whole side, and I used a whole section or a whole strand to do. But as I work my way to the front and for the back too, I separated it into two halves.
I ain't here to sing what I'm really on, giving dividends. I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, he ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we've been on. I know that it's bond.
Now I wanted to get the natural finish as much as I could, so I separated the hair into 4 sections. As I got to the front towards my hairline, from this part, I separated the hair into 4 sections. You guys remember from the back, I did 2. The middle, I just used the whole strand of hair. And for the front, I used 4 sections each because you don't want the hair to be packed and then look very heavy in the front. It's not going to look natural that way. So you just have to use fewer pieces to get that natural finish.
Watch it blow, watch it go through the fire like a shaka song. Ay, through the fire like a shaka song. Ay, through the fire like I'm taking off. Like a rocket, I got wishes in my pocket. I can grant a couple things, girl, that really ain't no problem. Cause you I swear she drives me crazy. Think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to grind upon me. Oh.
As I got close towards my hairline, I used the smallest size of crochet needle that I have for this part because my front hair is very delicate, so you don't want to use a bigger crochet needle. It's going to cause a lot of tension on your scalp, so you want to use the smallest size and also the smallest pieces of the extensions when you get to this part. Now this is what our hair is looking like, fully installed. And before I went ahead to achieve the curls, what I did was to brush the hair out with my blow dryer, not on the highest heat but on medium size heat, to give that blowout look that we usually do on our natural hair. Yes, to give that look before rolling it on flexi rods. And for the flexi rods too, I used the smallest size of flexi rods that I could find, and I rolled the hairs on the flexi rod. Listen, I was actually very happy with how this curls turned out. I was so happy with how the curls turned out. So I take it section by section, small sections, brush that out to get rid of any tangled hair. You want to make sure the hair is free from tangles before you roll it on the flexi rod. So you take the section, twist the hair a bit, then wrap it around the flexi rod just like this. It's very simple to do. It's not complicated at all. So I repeated this process till all the hair was covered up on the flexi rolls.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, like it's delirium, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, like it's delirium.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even eyes? Learning eyes. Do you even learning? Leave now, make your escape. You know the fortune favors the brave. So close, just get away. No surprise.
So whilst I was rolling my hair or the extensions on the flexi rolls, I was also boiling some hot water on the side. So right after rolling everything, I just dipped each hair into the hot water. Emphasis on each hair. If you miss this step, honey, trust me, you're going to have a lot of work to do. So please make sure you do not miss any of the hairs that you've wrapped on the flexi rolls. Okay, make sure you don't miss any of them out, else you would have a lot of work to do. So just take your time and then dip each into the flexi rolls. I actually left mine to air dry overnight. You want to make sure it is completely dried. There is no water in the flexi rolls before you take it off, before you take it out, or before you unravel the curls. Okay, if you don't do that, if you don't wait for all the water to be out and for it to dry fully, you're not going to achieve the curls that I've achieved right here. You won't achieve the same kind of curls. You won't even achieve any curls in the first place. So please make sure the hair dries completely before you unravel. Like I said, I left mine to air dry overnight. Yes, I slept in this, woke up, did my makeup before taking it out, and this is the curls that I achieved. Woo! Juicy, I know. I'm so happy with how this hair turned out, because honestly, I've seen a lot, because this hair has gone viral. It's viral. It has gone viral everywhere, and people achieve different kinds of curls with it. So I was like, I want to achieve a more defined curls, I want to achieve more defined curls. So once there's a hairstyle trending and everything, we all like to replicate the hairstyles, but you should also try and then do something a little different. So what I did was achieve a different curl pattern. Juicy
At
curl.
this point, this is what we have. You can leave it as it is, but I love me some voluminous hairstyles. Okay, so I decided to separate the curls to give it more volume, and this is the results that we achieve with this hairstyle. I'm so happy with how the hairstyle turned out. You guys see why I used the small flexi rolls, because I wanted this kind of curls. So if you've been able to watch up to this point and you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not make it your last time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the post notifications bell, because I have more amazing hairstyles and makeup tutorials, beginner friendly tutorials for everybody. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.